If you want to use Crunchyroll for free, so this video is just for you. At first, you need to download Crunchyroll from Play Store or App Store. Now just sign in with a new Google account. Select the first set autopay from anywhere. You got 14 days trial, but here's a trick. After purchasing the plan, you have to stop autopay before 14 days ends. You can do this method over and over for lifetime free Crunchyroll. Please make sure to leave a like, or if you are in trouble, just comment below. I will reply as soon as possible.